Hi everyone. So here I am by my pond, and I've been using this for so many years, and I've tried the little barley bales you can float in the pond. Sometimes you can put those in your filtration system too, but I just haven't found them to work as effectively as this liquid. To me, those little bales just take too long and they start breaking down and don't really do anything. This is the Aquascape Barley Straw Extract, and it's my no mess, get to work fast option for pond and stream features. It's a pharmaceutical grade fermented barley extract that's concentrated, so you're not waiting around for straw to slowly ferment and break down. I like things that kind of get to the point right away. What I really love is that it's not just about how the water looks, this also has added enzymes that help break down pond sludge. This can mean less gunk buildup, less time cleaning, and cleaner filter pads, because anything that cuts maintenance time is a huge win in my book, right? This 32-ounce bottle treats up to 20,000 gallons total, which is a big deal if you have a larger pond or you just want something that lasts. And for routine dosing, it's really simple. One pump treats 100 gallons per dose. I like to watch the water, and then adjust the adding to it based on what my pond needs are. And yeah, when used as directed, it's really safe for fish, plants, pets, and wildlife, which is always a non-negotiable for me because my dogs actually like to drink out of the pond. Home sweet home tip: the secret to a clearer, peaceful pond is staying consistent with your routine. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.